Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Aysha, if this is your first time checking me out. Today I'm going to be doing a day in the life of me. A day in the life as an influencer, a YouTuber. I'm just going to be taking you guys around on my work day, and I'm really excited for it because it's going to be a little bit different. I'm experimenting with different filming styles, so let me know how you guys like it in the comments down below. I will be honest though, every single day is completely different for me. Being able to call this, my career is such a blessing, first of all, but sometimes I'm in my PJs all day answering phone calls, replying to emails. Sometimes I'm filming, sometimes I'm out in Toronto going to back-to-back meetings or going to PR events, stuff like that. Literally every single day is different, and that's what I love so much about this career. It's so weird to call it my job because it literally started as a hobby. But anyways, thank you guys so much for always being so supportive. Like, I honestly wouldn't be able to do this without y'all. So if you guys have been following me over the past year, you would have known that I was a part of the Revlon family this year, and I was creating videos and different types of content for them. And it has honestly been kind of surreal that I have been able to do this partnership, because Revlon is a brand that I started using at the very beginning of my YouTube career, of my makeup journey, I guess you could call it, and they have been such amazing partners to work with. So we're gonna be taking you guys along today. I keep saying we because Sada's literally right outside my house so waiting for me to finish this intro, but we're gonna be going to their PR office and doing a little bit of a tour, getting a little sneak preview of some 2019 products. It has been an amazing journey, so thank you so much to Revlon for sponsoring this video once again. So anyways, I've done a lot of chit chat. Let's get into the rest of this video. Okay guys, I need to put on a lip. So Revlon sent this over a couple weeks ago, but it's like, you can open it. It's like they're all new Matte is Everything by Super Lustrous lipstick, and I really like this shade. It's called Dark Night Queen. It's like a really vampy color. Should I wear this today?
Yeah, because you need like a pop of color for lips.
Yeah, because I have a very simple face. Let's do this one. Oh yeah, I like this one.
Ooh. It's like so nice. It goes on so nicely.
Yeah, I like that. That was a good choice.
Yeah.
I feel like kind of like gothy.
Ooh.
This is a lipstick color you should not get on your teeth though. So.
Teeth check?
Yeah, we're good. Good? Okay, let's go. Okay guys, so we're on our way. Sada's here now. Say hey guys. This is actually the first time we're seeing each other in like 3 weeks, because I've been in LA. I'm like hella jet lagged right now, but it's okay. It's only like 3 hours, I can't complain.
Jet lagged for 3 hours.
I feel like both of us kind of got into makeup around the same time. Like, I was that person wearing blue eyeshadow, and like I feel like I vividly remember you coming up to me and be like, yeah, my mom wanted to tell you that like your blue eyeshadow's a little much. Do you remember that? Yeah. I was like, I don't care what anybody thinks. I mentioned in the intro, like, Revlon has been a brand that I've been using for so long, and literally in the very beginning of my YouTube channel, like. And then I'm going to take, you probably already guessed it, Revlon lipstick in Rosy Nude. I show this in like every single video that I have. So the first lip product favorites are actually the Revlon Just Bitten Kissable Balm Stains. Like, do you remember my Revlon lip butter phase? Like those little, it had like a clear-ish top with different colors, and literally those were the only lipsticks I ever wore. Like, I have to.
Oh my god, yeah!
Do you remember? And I always used to talk about them. Like, I would get every single color. And then another one was actually the lipstick. Oh wait, no, not the lipstick you're wearing now, but Mink.
Yeah, do you guys remember?
Yeah. Do you have it on you?
Yeah, I do actually.
Yeah. You can tell I like Revlon lipsticks because I have a lot of them. This is a super lustrous lipstick, 671 Mink. So yeah, it just looks like that, and it is this gorgeous, like, perfect nude for like darker skin tones. Back in the day, this was like literally the first nude that I ever discovered that like actually worked on deeper skin tones. And I made like all of my cousins buy it because we were all, we were all on a budget. So Revlon really came through for us. When did like you start getting into makeup? Do you remember?
My grade 8 graduation. I was wearing like a white silvery outfit. And so I matched my, you know what? It actually was, I think, like some Revlon Colors Today, like eyeshadow quad.
Yeah.
And it had like a bunch of silvers and like a frosty pink.
Oh my god.
It went with my outfit, okay? But I like put it all over my eyelids.
Oh my god.
No foundation. I didn't wear foundation at the time.
Probably some kind of eyeliner, like dark black eyeliner.
Yeah, like in the waterline. I was a little experimentative. Is that a word?
Experimental.
Experimental. There we go.
A lot of people, I feel like, learn makeup from their mothers or something, but in our culture, like, makeup isn't really huge. Like, the most we got out of our mothers was like
eyeliner and
eyeliner,
lipstick.
exactly, eyeliner and lipstick. But I feel like we really learned from each other. Like, we were all kind of raised as sisters. You guys know my cousins and stuff from the vlogs. We were all kind of raised as sisters, so literally anytime someone found a product, we would all buy it, we'd all use it. We all had like the same clothes, the same makeup, the same techniques. But what are you wearing on your lips right now? She used one of the Matte Is Everything by Super Lustrous lipsticks as well.
It's called Superstar Brown.
Superstar Brown. It's actually so nice. I haven't swatched that one on my lips yet, but it literally, like, you didn't even use a lip liner, did you?
No, nothing.
It looks so good.
But I think I might want to add like a gloss or something. Rosy Future.
Rosy Future gloss.
It looks like it has like a...
It's like kind of metallic-ish.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a super lustrous lip gloss as well. But I'm wearing the shade. Did I even say what shade I was wearing? I was wearing Dark Night Queen. It's like a very vampy color. I really wanted to step outside of my comfort zone today, but now that I'm looking at that nude, I'm like,
tempted, huh?
I'm real tempted. Ooh.
Oh wait.
Wait,
this is a game changer. Alright, I'm in love.
It looks so good!
Guys, I know I don't have big lips.
Actually, why am I in this lane? Okay guys, I'll see you guys at the office. Yeah, I'm actually in the office right now. I'm just like sitting right in the lobby. I'm about to go in. I'm just like filming a couple clips before I go.
Hi! Hey, how are you?
Good to see you.
Good to see you. Thanks so much for coming.
Of course, really excited for today.
Amazing. Okay, should we get going?
Yeah. I've never been here before. It's like really, really cute.
Oh,
corporate vibes.
Nice to see you too.
Hi. Okay, ooh, we got a nice spread over here too. Sure do. Guys, there's a bunch of new Revlon goodies that I'm really excited for, and these are all for 2019, I'm guessing?
2019, yeah.
We're getting the first look. Well, I don't know if this is the first look, but it's the first look on my channel. Oh, it's like actually more golden than I thought it would be too. We love makeup with skincare benefits, okay?
Love about these guys is like insanely, am I saying insanely? They're insanely pigmented.
Oh, wow.
Right?
They're like butter.
Yeah.
Oh, they smell so good. Guys, I wish you could smell these. They smell so good.
I love that color. The eyeshadow. Ooh, can you see? That was like the pop we needed.
Okay. Is it recording already? Yeah. Okay. This feels so cool. It's like I'm on my own reality TV show, guys. Confessionals with Aysha. I know, right?
Okay, so we'll just jump right in.
Yeah.
So this has been a really big year for you, especially in your career.
Yeah.
What's it like for you to be able to live out your dream and pursue your passion of beauty full time?
It's honestly very surreal because, you know, just thinking about when I started my channel, I was in high school, I was 16 years old, going to grade 11, and I was like, I just kind of started YouTube because, I don't know, everyone else was kind of doing it. I was really into beauty at that time. And then when I started, like, no, I literally did not tell anyone. It was truly a hobby. Like, Sada's behind this camera, she can vouch for me. So yeah, fast forward to like almost 7 years later, I graduated university almost 2 years ago, and I just like took a chance on my YouTube channel. I didn't know if I was going to make any money. I didn't know if it was going to be like viable. We're 1 subscriber away from 100,000.
Can someone explain that?
100,000! But it was truly a passion of mine, so to be able to call this, you know, my career and my job almost 2 years later now, doing this full time, it's honestly like so surreal. Like I still wake up and I'm like, this is like, there's no boss telling me what to do. Like I am the CEO of like my brand. Like it's really, really surreal to like say that, and yeah, it's really awesome.
So you have such a fantastic relationship with your audience. Like they honestly look to you like a friend.
Yeah.
What's your #1 piece of advice you give the young girls who follow you?
Well, first of all, when I do speak to the camera, like I truly feel like I'm talking to a friend, and even from the beginning of my channel, like I have really great relationships with my subscribers. Like I remember the first couple subscribers that are still constantly commenting on my channel. So it's really great to interact with them. But I think the reason why I've been able to build that like trust with my audience is because I've just remained super authentic. Like I wouldn't call myself a sellout. Like I've always, even just with the brand relationships that I've built, they're always brands that I have been using truly and that I truly love and like will always vouch for, whether it's like paid or not. Like this is truly like a passion of mine that just turned into a career. So I feel like if someone is trying to get into this industry as well, just remaining authentic. Like don't do things for the money, don't do things for the clout or, you know, exposure. Just if you really truly enjoy something, like it can be, you can kind of see that on camera. So like people know when I'm talking about like, you know, a new, I don't know, Revlon foundation or like a new eyeshadow product or something, like I get really excited. I get like amped. You guys saw that earlier. And that's just like how I am. So I never try to change who I am just, you know, to gain subscribers or something. So I think that's like really, really key piece for people that are trying to get into the beauty industry or want to do something similar to what I do. Just stay true to yourself.
So on that note, in everything that you do, you are always so authentic and so true to yourself. So you really do take your advice, which is amazing. How have you dealt with any pressures in the beauty industry?
So there's definitely been a lot of pressures. Like I will be the first to admit that. Starting out so young, you always kind of like want to conform or like want to do what everyone else is doing because you're like, well, maybe I will grow because of that. You know, if something's working for one person, maybe it'll work for me. So, you know, being a Black Muslim woman in this industry, there's not a lot of people. Like when I started in 2011, there was no one, wasn't really anyone on there. So I really had to provide that representation for myself. But because of that, I was always thinking in the back of my head, like, why isn't anyone that looks like me getting opportunities? Why aren't they being able to work with brands that I see all of these other people working with? So I always thought like I would never be able to actually do this as a career because of that. I get a little emotional talking about it. You know, there's always been thoughts in my head like maybe if I didn't wear the hijab, I would be getting all these opportunities like everyone else. But I feel like it's because of how I've stayed true to myself that I've really like gained the success on my channel. And I really want people to like, it's okay, I'm gonna leave all of this in so y'all can see the real deal, but yeah, I think there's definitely been a lot of pressures, always feeling like I have to conform to get certain opportunities and whatnot, but in the end, I just have to think like, if I have been able to get this far because of how I look, like, I will just continue, and if people want to follow me because of that, great. If they don't want to, then that's great as well, but I'm just gonna stick true to who I am. I got so sappy, guys.
Okay, well, brace yourself because you might get a little bit more.
Oh God!
So, as I'm sure everyone knows, a lot of great things have happened for you recently.
Yeah.
So, what are some of those things, and what are you most proud of and most excited about?
2018 has definitely been a huge year for me. You know, firstly, well, more recently, I did get married, so that was a really, really great milestone. But very beginning of this year, I got to partner with Revlon, which is a brand that I've always loved. To now, fast forward 7 years, and I've been able to call myself a partner of Revlon. Like that has truly been a dream. Making the move very soon to LA, which, I mean, I'm a Canadian gal, so it's gonna be very hard for me. But I am excited to just like start that new chapter in my life. And I think that in 2018, like I've really just stepped outside of my comfort zone, done things that I never thought I would have done. And yeah, I'm really excited to see what 2019 has in store, because this year I can't imagine it getting any better. So I think it'll be cool to see what's in store for next year.
The next steps.
Exactly. What I want to just like close all of this by is I really resonate with Revlon's theme of live boldly, and you know, all of the brand ambassadors that they've had this year all have their own unique stories. And especially for me, the way that I live boldly is just staying true to who I am. Like I am a proud Black Muslim woman, you know, in beauty, in the lifestyle space, and I'm not gonna conform to what society wants me to be. And I think that's such an important message. So shout out to Revlon for encouraging women all over the world for just like staying true to who they are.
Yeah, fantastic.
We're done. Yay. Now I can stop crying. All right, guys, we're all done here at the office. This was so fun.
I know, I'm so excited to see the video.
Yeah, me too. I mean, I got a little teary-eyed, but I think it adds the dramatics. So.
wear these like a nice cousin reunion.
Oh my god. And we're gonna head out now. Bye-bye. Thank you so much for having me. And I don't even think, do you want to be on camera? This is Jen. She's from Kin over here, so she was just helping me out today. So yeah, that's it for today, guys.
Great.
I'll see you guys at home. Hey guys, me again. It is the very end of the night. I may look a little different because I removed all my makeup, but I wanted to just kind of sit down and gather all my thoughts and end off this video on a really high note. Firstly, thank you so much to Revlon for partnering with me in this video and just kind of letting me take the lead. This is definitely a different video style than I have done in the past, but I honestly really enjoyed it. I think me and Sada had a lot of fun creating this for you guys, and I hope the whole messaging behind Live Boldly really came through in this video. So yeah, I just kind of want to encourage all of my followers, all of my supporters that have been with me for so long, and just anyone who's coming across this video to live boldly, you know, especially with the end of the year and the new year coming up. I want to hear what you guys are going to do to live boldly next year. So let me know in the comments down below, whether it's one thing, whether it's a couple of things, maybe one goal that you've always wanted to achieve. 2019 can be that year for you. So yeah, let me know in the comments down below. And if you guys enjoyed this video, definitely give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you are new. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed coming along with me today to work. I know it's a little bit unconventional and every day is different, but honestly, I could not see myself doing anything else but this right now. And I'm so truly blessed to be able to call this, you know, my job and my passion. So that is it for this video, guys. I love you so, so much, and I will talk to you in my next one. Bye, everyone.